Manufacturing X delivers technology insights into how smart factories really operate.
Coffee manufacturing at industrial scale is not handcrafted. It is engineered as a controlled production system.
Inside this coffee processing and roasting plant, machines, materials, and data operate as one synchronized system.
This facility represents coffee manufacturing as a smart factory, not a manual or artisanal process. Industrial coffee processing begins with controlled inbound logistics for green coffee beans.
Green coffee beans enter the factory as defined manufacturing batches with digital identification.
Moisture content of green coffee beans is measured in line to ensure stable roasting conditions.
Bean size distribution is verified mechanically before further processing.
Stones and metallic contaminants are removed automatically to protect downstream equipment. Each inbound coffee batch is registered in the warehouse management system for full traceability. Green coffee beans are mechanically cleaned to remove dust and lightweight impurities.
Vibratory and air-based separation systems ensure uniform feed quality.
Magnetic separation systems extract metallic particles from the coffee bean stream. Optical sorting machines inspect each green coffee bean using industrial vision technology.
Defective coffee beans are rejected automatically based on data-defined criteria.
Industrial coffee roasting is the core transformation stage of this manufacturing process. Roasting outcomes are defined by temperature, time, airflow, and drum speed parameters.
Programmable logic controllers execute predefined coffee roasting profiles.
Heat transfer occurs inside enclosed industrial roasting drums under controlled conditions. Airflow systems regulate heat balance throughout the roasting cycle.
Light, medium, and dark coffee roasts are executed as predefined parameter sets.
Multiple industrial roasters operate simultaneously with consistent roasting profiles.
Roasting temperature, time, and energy data are recorded in real time by the MES. Automated monitoring systems detect roasting deviations immediately.
Roasted coffee is released downstream only after profile completion is verified. Rapid cooling stabilizes roasted coffee beans after thermal processing. Cooling airflow and duration are precisely regulated by control systems.
Degassing prepares roasted coffee for downstream manufacturing operations.
Degassing time is defined, controlled, and tracked digitally.
Industrial coffee grinding is performed within enclosed and controlled systems. Mechanical grinder settings define the target particle size specification.
Particle size distribution is monitored continuously during grinding.
Inline sampling verifies grinding consistency against defined specifications. Coffee packaging is fully automated using industrial form, fill, seal systems.
Nitrogen flushing controls the internal package atmosphere to extend shelf life. Seal integrity ensures product stability during storage and transportation. Packaging formats follow predefined industrial and logistical specifications. Each coffee package receives a unique barcode or QR code for traceability.
Inline checkweighers verify package weight accuracy in real time.
Vision inspection systems automatically verify package sealing quality. End-of-line metal detection ensures final product compliance.
Non-conforming coffee products are removed immediately from the production flow.
Quality performance indicators are analyzed continuously within the MES. Centralized SCADA systems monitor the entire coffee manufacturing operation. Batch genealogy digitally links roasting, grinding, and packaging processes.
ERP systems synchronize inventory levels and production planning.
Industrial IoT sensors capture real-time equipment performance data.
Operational analytics convert data into actionable manufacturing insights. Robotic palletizing systems stack sealed coffee packages automatically.
Pallet patterns are executed with collision-free robotic motion. Finished pallets move downstream through controlled conveyor systems. Autonomous vehicles transport pallets along defined industrial routes. Automated warehouse systems store coffee pallets under digital control. Warehouse management systems track every pallet location in real time. Dispatch operations follow system-generated shipping instructions.
All coffee manufacturing processes operate as one integrated industrial system.
Automation ensures repeatability, stability, and scalability. Throughput, yield, and energy efficiency are continuously measured. Industrial coffee manufacturing is built on process engineering discipline. From inbound green coffee beans to outbound packaged products, every step is controlled and traceable.
Coffee manufacturing at scale is not an art. It is a controlled industrial system driven by automation, data, and process engineering.